Hey guys, this is me Alina and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing something like celebrity inspired. So we are recreating Kylie Jenner's makeup look. So let's begin, and my voice is a little off today, so sorry for that. Using shaving balm from Nivea and master strobing cream from Maybelline. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix both of them together to get a little like dewy base. So next I'm using this foundation that is from Wet n Wild. I'm in the shade Desert Beige and this is full coverage matte foundation and I love it. We are doing a little bit of bronzing, so like Kylie Jenner is known for her like glow and that bronze look. So we are gonna do that. I'm doing some nose contouring because I want my nose to be like snatched. So yeah. So now it's time for concealer and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me 1. I'm in the shade medium. So now we're gonna set that base. So I'm using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade light. So I'm gonna set the areas where I put concealer on. So guys, what I'm doing here is I'm using a black eyeshadow to create a wing. Black eyeshadow, yes, you heard it right, not an eyeliner, just shadow creating a wing. So here I'm taking the face palette from Faces Canada and I'm using the blush and the highlight